Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to share Microsoft Teams screen. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more Microsoft Teams. Also open Microsoft Teams on your browser and look into your account. Click on Meet on the left sidebar here. Click on Meet Now and click on Start Meeting. And here just click on Join Now to start your meeting, so click on Join Now. And just to share your screen, let's head over to the top corner here and you will find the Share button here. Click on Share, and this will start sharing your screen. Click on Screen Window or Tab. Select if you want to share one of your Edge tabs or your entire window or the entire screen. And when you are done selecting one of these options, click on Share to start sharing your screen while you're on a meeting in Microsoft Teams. So this is pretty much it, guys. Your work is done. If you found this video helpful and easy, don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment.